Hello, my dear German viewers and learners. Here I have again come to give you some interesting information about masculine articles. Okay, but before beginning with this lesson, I am seeing that you are not that much, learning these lessons. Okay, so please view the whole video and try to learn the lesson as given. Okay, it's going to be beneficial for you only. Understood? So here I'm going to start my this video over here. And before that, I would request you to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Okay, and I also need comments from my dear viewers who are seeing this video, that whatever they are feel with my video, whether it is negative or positive, I need feedback from your side. I always take criticism positively so that I can learn from my criticism. Okay, if I need to improve in something, so please help me. Okay, after watching this video, do share your good views or whatever as you felt like. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen over here. Today we are going to learn about the masculine article. Okay, now what is this masculine article? Basically what happens is that your masculine article there is the one that is denoted with the masculine articles. Basically, okay, there means masculine. So here, there is always associated with male professions, male persons, and animals. Okay, and I have also given you most of the words have their meanings with it. Okay, most of the words have their meanings with it, so that it won't be so much problematic for you to understand the text. Okay, and if you want that I should also give the PDF format, the PDF of this file, I'll be also sending you this, but I need the comments. Okay, if you think that I should also enclose my PDF file along with this YouTube video, I'll be also enclosing. Okay, so let's start with our video over here. The thing is male persons. Okay, so male persons, all the male persons, professions and animals take the der part. Okay, now der Vater, der Bruder, der Sohn. What is der Vater? The father. Der Bruder, the brother. Der Sohn, der Freund, the male friend. Then what we have, der Bock, Billy Goat, der Hahn, Rooster, der Stier, Bull, der Eber, Boa, der Hund, Dog, der Fish. Okay, and when we are coming to the professions, that is Berufe, what we have over here, der Rentner. Who is a rentner? Rentner is a pension holder. Pensioner is a rentner. Then what we have there, Lehrer. You can see my cursor moving over here. You can easily understand. Der Lehrer, the male teacher. Der Anwalt, the lawyer, the male lawyer. Der Professor, the male professor. Der Arzt, the doctor. Der Schauspieler, the actor. Okay, so here we all have the occupations and persons who are going to be male. Now coming to the days of the week and months of the year, which also comes under the masculine category or der part. Okay, what we have over here, der Sonntag, der Januar, der Winter, der Monat, der Abend, der Vormittag, der Nachmittag, der Morgen. So all these days of the month, months of the year will be taking the der part. Now, for example, what we have as a Montag there, what we have the Dienstag there, okay, Mittwoch there. So always there will be associated with the Wochentage and Tageszeiten. What is Tageszeiten? The timing of the days, isn't it? Like Vormittag, Mittag, these all are the going to be their part. Okay, likewise we also have the seasons name, that is the Jahreszeiten. Okay, all the seasons name will be also their part. For example, der, what we have over here, der Sommer, der Sommer, der Winter, der Winter. Then what you have, der Autumn, der Herbst, Der erst is autumn. We are going to always be using the der part. And then what you have, der Frühling. I'll be just changing my keyboard from German to English one so that I can use the umlaut part. Der Frühling. Der Frühling. Der Frühling is spring. Der Frühling. Der Frühling. What is der Frühling? Der Frühling is spring. Okay. So all will be coming under the masculine article der. Now what we have? Now we have seasons and most of the weather elements, outer space and weather conditions. Okay. Now everything has a Ausnahme also. What is Ausnahme? Exception. Okay. So die Sonne, die Wolke, die Brise, das Eis, das Gewitter, that is thunderstorm, die Graupel, das Wetter, die Wetterung. So these all are Ausnahme. And I have given the Ausnahme in a very green highlight so you can easily understand it. Okay. So die Sonne means sun, die Wolke, cloud, die Brise, breeze, das Eis, ice, das Gewitter, thunderstorm, die Graupel, hail, das Wetter, weather, die Witterung, atmospheric condition. Okay. So if you remember the Ausnahme also, if you just have a look at the Ausnahme, you're going to understand how this is going to be, what are the der and what are the Ausnahme. You will easily differentiate. Okay, then what we have, again we are coming to the der part. What we have, der Mond. What is der Mond? Moon. Der Stern, star. Der Merkur, Mercury. Der Mars, Mars. Der Jupiter. Der Saturn. Der Uranus. Der Pluto. Okay, the planets name are also going to be the der part. Okay, what are the exceptions? We have die Sonne, then die Venus und die Erde. What is die Sonne? Sun, die Venus and die Erde, the earth. Okay, so these all are going to be your der masculine article. What more categories, under which more categories we can have? Now for example, exception we also have, we can see that das Jahr is our exception, die Nacht is our exception, die Woche is our exception. Okay, then what we have the directions. They are northern, the north direction. They are Austin, east direction. They are Süden, south direction. They are western, this is the west direction. So all the directions are also going to be using the der part. Okay, then in which category we can have, we can also have the car makers. Okay, we also have the car makers which are also coming under the masculine category. What we have, der BMW, der Skoda, der Ford, der Ferrari, der Audi, der VW, der Mercedes. Okay, these all will be also coming under the masculine category. What more do we have? We have also monetary units which is coming under the masculine category. They are dollar, they are euro, they are cent, they are shilling, they are pfennig, they are franken. And what are the exceptions we have? Exceptions are die Mark, former German currency, das Pfund, British pound, die Krone, that is Danish currency. Okay, now non-German rivers. Another category is what? Non-German rivers. Non-German rivers are also coming under the der, that is the masculine part. They are Ganges, they are Mississippi, they are Nile, they are Delaware, they are Jordan, they are Congo. Now I would request you to go to the map and look at the rivers that you can find over there. Okay, then what you have, exceptions. Exceptions will be always there. What are the exceptions? Non-German rivers ending in A or E, example die Seine, die Themse, die Volga. Okay, then what you have, in which category we have rocks and minerals. They are diamond, they are granite, they are lime. What is lime? Clay, diamond, diamond. Okay, they are granite, the granite. And then they are lime, clay, they are quartz. Their quartz is also in English the same thing we have. They are torn is basically cement. Exceptions, thus airs, that is ore, the coal, the Kryde, chalk, thus mineral, that is mineral. Then in which category we also have another, that is the der masculine, mountain and mountain ranges. They are Mount Everest, they are Mont Blanc, they are Himalaya, they are Taunus, they are Balkan. These all will be coming under the masculine category. What the exceptions we have? The Eiffel, the Hart, the Rhone, the Sierra Nevada, and mountain ranges that are actually compound nouns. Compound nouns take the gender of the final noun, thus Erzgebirge, thus Matterhorn, die Zugspitze. Okay, so here these are the category, and another category is that last category is that and alcoholic plant-based drinks like their gin, their schnapp, their wine, their cacao, their soft. Now, thing is, I have also given you the suffixes. I have also given you the suffixes with which you can easily understand which words, which abstract nouns will be also you can understand from the suffixes, because there are plenty of words. All the abstract nouns category can also take the der part, isn't it? For example, you can see over here their consonant. Their consonant is not falling under this category. So how will you understand? You're going to understand by the suffixes. What are the suffixes are there for the masculine part? Ant, ast, ish, ig, esmus, ling, or us. What are the words we can find with these suffixes? Here are the words and also the meaning over there. So here we have their consonant, consonant, their contrast, the contrast. Only K has been changed. Their teppich, that is rug or carpet. Their K-fish, cage. Their Schwächling, weakling. Their factor, factor. Their circus, circus. Their betrieb, that is operation, company or plant. Their bis, bite from bisen. Bisen is a verb and the bis is the noun of the verb. Their fall, that is case, instance, drop, or from fallen is the thing is came over here. In German language, also from the verb we can make noun. Okay, so then we have der Gang, that is gear, and easel. Okay, then what you these are the words that you have the over the for the masculine suffixes in the masculine things. Okay, now here I am going to end my that is masculine lesson over here. You can understand that there are two more articles which are remaining, that is D and das. Okay, this is my first series for dear, and the D and das is also coming. So you would just have a look at the video which I'll be uploading simultaneously so that you can gather more knowledge regarding the articles of der, die, das. And also I'll be doing one video where I am going to show you how you are going to understand the plural part, because German is a very logical language. If you understand the logic behind it, learning is going to be a just fun and very easy. Okay, so everything has a logic, everything has a formula based thing. It's just going to be very much you are just going to be having fun in learning this German language. Okay, so I'm going to end my this German class here only. I hope all of you have liked this information. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel as much as possible. Okay, only with your love and care my channel will grow, and definitely I can also share my information with you all. If you want to have live classes with me, I'm going to share my website in this video so that you can also click on the website and you can easily contact me and have one-to-one classes. I am a Goethe certified teacher, and I have also have my more success stories which you can easily see in my website. Okay, with this note, I'm going to end. Bye bye, auf Wiederhören, vielen Dank, bis bald.